What is this? What is this?
This could be 1 in 5 US teenage students when they first become adults. Those who lack even basic financial literacy skills, according to a report from PISA. That is a problem, a big problem. We all know managing money is tough, but what if you can master it by playing a game? Welcome to FinFit, the ultimate life simulation that teaches financial skills through real-life scenarios. So, how would it work? Everybody would live their own life based on the survey they completed. With their age as their starting point, they will live until the age of 35, where their life or trial of mastering relevant financial skills ends. 1 year would consist either 10, 12, or 20 turns full with specific quests and events based on the user's preference of game pace. After a life, they will receive a detailed explanation and feedback of their choices made. To further proceed, users would be able to select to either relive their previous life or start a new journey. Make mistakes here so you don't make them in real life. Play, learn, and succeed. Ready to master money? Play FinFit today.